Right, so what's up everybody? So as you've seen today, we are going to see how we can remove the background of an image. So it's like, cutting out the image from its background. Maybe it may be to you to a few reasons. Maybe the image you downloaded, it has a watermark for inside that you downloaded it from. Like mine, I have two images I downloaded from Adobe Store. They have a watermark Adobe Stock, and I really don't like this. I just want to cut out the image, and just put my custom color, same as this one. It has the Adobe Stock watermark, so I want to remove the background and just let me remain with this picture, so that I can just put my own background color. So the first website is called removebg. You can just simply go to your Google Chrome or any browser you're using, just type removebg, then upload image. Let's first deal with this one. My image is uploading. Let's wait for magic. Just wait for magic. Just look at that, simply that. Then we can simply choose download. So if we download, it will just come like that, but it's low resolution, as you can see. I want you to notice the fingers here. They have been cut out very clearly, but for Adobe you just see a difference in the fingers here. Just look. But this one is raw resolution. To add the image background, you can just simply come here. You can just simply choose whatever background you want. But for our case, we shall choose the color. Use the eyedropper like this. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, but if you notice, if you use breaks, some can do not much, and like a real edit, something's not natural here. So let's use this background here, but I prefer the eyedropper. Just eyedrop, put the cloth, looks matching, done, then download. So if we download and see, you can see that the watermarks are gone. Now the image looks good, but this image is not in high resolution. So if you want to download the image in high resolution, in 1667 or higher, you can choose and download image. But for me, I previously downloaded one image, and you're only allowed to download one image. You are given one credit. I already used that one before, but if you want to purchase more credits, you can click on these credits, get credits. It will take you on the pricing plan. This is subscription plan. 40 credits means that you're going to download 40. You'll be allowed to download 40 images. Or this, you can choose the subscription plan that really fits your needs. So if I also get this one, let's see how it will go. Just wait for magic. Wow, that one. We download this view and see. Wow, hair. Wow, looks nice. The hair, man, it's like as if it has never had a background. We also add the custom color. As I told you, can choose from all these images and see what is really fitting, but I would like to go with the color. This not matching, just use the eyedropper, put on the cloth, somehow like that. But you don't have to really use this method. You can just choose the color that you want, that's compared, maybe that is matching the place you're going to use the image, maybe in the website that has wire, you don't need in background, just simply use the cutout that you use it. Then done. If we download, there you go, looks nice. There's no watermark, looks nice. So that's for removebg. So let's use another one called Adobe Express. For Adobe Express, let's cut these ones, and just create a new folder called removebg. Open, paste. I want them large, so that I can easily recognize them. So for Adobe, come, drop in, also wait for magic. There you go. Notice the hair, it's not kind of looking good as we would wish. Just download and see how to look like. If we check in downloads, this is, I downloaded a picture twice. So this is the image. So I previously told you to notice the hands. Look, this is Adobe Express. You leave some background, in different areas. Look the hair. But the better thing with this Adobe Express, the image will look of high quality, no matter whether you're in free plan or paid. The image will still be high resolution, compared to removebg, but the cutout will not be perfect as removebg. So to edit the image, we shall open in Adobe. Then here is the image. Let's just put it up a little bit. There you go, the image is here. So if you want to add the background, you can just simply click up there, more colors, just choose whatever color you want. But I like the eyedropper, man. Let's go with the eyedropper. There you go. The image now looks somehow fine. If we download PNG based for images, but you can choose the format you want it, JPG, PDF, whatever. So let's go for PNG. Download. There you go. So this is the image. Yeah, see, Adobe Express, when you add your custom background color, the other things will not be noticed. The defaults in the hands and hair. Now the image looks, of high resolution compared to the removebg, but if it was the only cutout, you just notice that the cutouts were not so nice, they are not so good. So if you want to add your custom background that is the same as the previous color, you wanted to remove maybe the watermarks and you wanted to add the same color, maybe Adobe Express will be the best option. But if you wanted to add a different color, like what maybe your website is white, it has a white background, and you want to add a white background to the image, then these would still be noticeable. So you would use removebg, would be the better option. But if you want to add the same color, then why not use Adobe Express, because it is of high resolution and no fee was paid. And let's delete this. Let's go back. Okay, let's add another one. The second one, add it there, go up, there you go. So if you want to remove the background in this Adobe, go to remove background, just wait for magic. There you go. So already done, and add the background, just use the eyedropper, and there you go, it's already done. You just download, wait for magic, open, see high resolution, no fee paid, but of high resolution. Still, you can't notice the hair and the white if you add the same background that was there before. So you would use the option that we fits for you. So for background, we don't want any background, so just choose to download as it is. You see, look how the hair is. So